Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel Exploring on Two Wheels. It's been a couple of days I couldn't upload any video on my channel due to my personal problems, and I made sure that I'll be uploading 3 videos at least a week. Yes, yeah. And today's vlog is all about the new Kawasaki ZX6R. Yes, I'm at Kawasaki showroom now, so I'll be going inside and I'll be showing you. Okay guys, let's check out the muscular beast from Kawasaki now, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video now. And this is the beast which I am going to show you now. And my favorite one. If you guys are looking for the exhaust note, let me show you.